Well, welcome back. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm actually going to wash the MX-5. Now, I just want to stress that this is not a car detailing video, because if I say it's a car detailing video, I'll have all the actual professional detailers coming at me saying, you did it wrong, you didn't use the milk of an Arabian coconut tree to polish the paint, and that's going to swirl it, and bleh. And look, I've got a lot of time for professional detailers, but I will say this. Over a number of years of trying to get the perfect detailing result for my car, I've learned that sometimes you just got to let it go. It's a chunk of metal, things are going to happen. So let me show you what I personally use to detail the car. Step one, a good water blaster. Now, I intentionally bought a little Karcher K2 because they don't water blast that hard, and when you're dealing with car paint, cool. Couple of really good deep buckets with a really big grit guard in both. Now, for washing the car, I use a product called Mr. Pink. This is safe for ceramic coating, so that's good for me. And I like the way it suds up. I hate car washes, shampoos that don't sud. And you're kind of like, am I just rubbing water over that? This thing suds up. You feel like you've put dishwashing liquid in your dishwasher. And I like to get a real good dollop in there. That's probably too much, but I don't care. We turn to the wheels. This is Fireball Wheel and Tyre. I love this product. I think it's an absolutely sensational product. I've tried other products that don't do as much grime removal. This stuff does the job. Let me show you. I like to get down here and you just spray it on quite liberally. It's not very pleasant stuff, so you never want to leave it on the wheel for longer than you have to. I think Fireballs say a minute. See all this horrible looking crap coming off the tyre? That is the wheel and tyre eating all the road grime, brake dust and stuff off the wheel. Two brushes, big fat one I like to do the tyre with, little dainty one I like to do the wheel barrels with. I've actually had quite a complicated relationship with car detailing or cleaning of cars in my life. I am not perfect. As I said, please don't watch this as an advice video. Just watch some clown cleaning an MX-5, bit of ASMR. But I have had a very complicated relationship with it, because when I first got this car, I had it ceramic coated with a Fireball ceramic coating. Washed it for the first time and put swirls in it. Because I was using the wrong product, I wasn't doing the right procedure, and I've slowly refined what I do, but I'm still not perfect, and that's something I actually struggle with, just being real for a second, as I have quite high expectations of myself, and if I don't do something properly, it really gets to me. So this has been a real journey. So this car does have a ceramic coating. I had it done nearly 4 years ago, and it was a 2-year coating, a Fireball ceramic coating, and I have topped it up either via a detailer or myself over that time, but it's done a really great job. So, PA Italy Snow Foam Lance. This is filled with Fireball snow foam fluid, which I really like. Okay, so now we want to let that sit on the paint for the next sort of... The official instructions say 5. I've had issues with 5 where you start getting streaking on the paint because it dries. So I go 3. wash the car. Now for physically washing the car, and I like to minimise my physical contact with the paint as much as possible because I'm a buffoon, I use a Fireball Premium Wash Mitt. By the way, if you are a professional detailer and you've been watching this screaming at the screen, saying I'm doing a crap job, would you do me a favour and instead of leaving me a mean comment, can you actually give me some advice? Because I would love to be better at this. I just don't, you know, I feel like I've got good quality equipment, good quality products, but I don't know, maybe my technique could be better. This little guy is a air dryer. This is called a BigBoi. This is cool. All the cracks, you can get in all the crevices. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but as I was getting at before, you're not contacting the paint, and I learnt with the swirl marks I was putting on this car that they came from me drying it. And I tried rapid dry towels, I tried woolly mammoth towels, I tried the chemical guys towels, I tried the fireball towels, I scratched this car drying it. So this has been a lifesaver. So now the car's dry, and I've got to say I'm pretty happy with it today. Often I'm not. I get so in my head about how clean or good the car looks. But I mean, look at that, right? You can see the shine. I'm going to pull the car into the garage, and we're going to start with the last little bits to get this where I want it. I grabbed a really nice fluffy purple towel microfiber, and just the last little drips, you know, as you pull the car into the garage, you'll get drips out the door handles and the wing mirrors and all that shit. 2 products. This is the first one. This is a product called Grace. It's another Fireball product. I adore this product. When I was battling with putting swirls on this car in the drying phase, I said to Sam at United Car Care here in New Zealand, who's brilliant by the way, if you need car cleaning product in New Zealand, United Car Care, the way to go. I said, what do I do? And he said, well, if you use Grace, it's a spray wax. You can't stuff it up. Couple of mists on each panel, wipe in with one microfiber, let it rest, buff with the other, then let it cure, and you'll get that shine, and it will fill in any minor swirls you might be putting into the car's paint. And for the most part, absolutely that is what has happened. It's really helped me. So thank you, Sam. Thank you, Fireball. Really cool once you've got the Grace applied, and this is the second towel, and as you can see I'm just buffing it into the surface, well, just drying the surface really, and the way the microfiber just glides across the paint is just so nice. It's beautiful. It feels like you're rubbing the whole paintwork. It's just glass, and as you can see I'm in the finish. Hello, the finish is cool, really cool, and the paint is just feeling beautiful. So Fireball Grace, highly recommended product in my opinion. This is Fireball Trim and Tyre. This is really good stuff as well. It's not, I hate those spray tyre blacks, because the spray tyre blacks, you end up with spray all over the car. They're not actually that great. They smell bloody awful. This stuff's really cool. Let me show you. Like that's heaps. I like to smush it. And essentially the rule is, the more of it you use, you know, the more shine you'll get. But I do like just a bit of gloss, just to show that you care. Well, thanks for joining me on the journey today to give the MX-5 a little wash and a clean. I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, I do apologise for the bloody shoddy camera work. I will try and sort that out for the next video. Enjoy these shots of the car looking gorgeous, I hope, in the sun. Please like, please subscribe. Always appreciate your comments. I've had some awesome discussions with people so far. Bring them on, keep them coming. See you soon.